Okay, now we're going to have a look at some number lines and how we can write them as inequalities. So again, make sure you're in page 31 of your blue book so you can write these examples down. You might not choose to write all of them down exactly, it's up to you how you write it down, but you need to have the sort of key facts down, and at least one example down, so if you come to revise this, you can see what you need to do. So here's a number line, and you can see we've got a little dot above the 9 and an arrow pointing to the numbers that are bigger than 9. So that's showing the numbers that are bigger than 9. Now that's obviously loads and loads and loads of different numbers, and instead of writing the numbers, we just write a letter, and we normally write X. So I'm going to write X, and obviously my key number is 9, so I'm going to write a 9, but I'm going to leave a space next to it, and we can see that this is showing the numbers that are greater than 9, the numbers that are bigger than 9. So I'm going to put a crocodile in here, but I want the numbers that are bigger than 9, so the crocodile is going to eat that X. So that's how I show it, the numbers that are greater, because it's eating it, than 9. Let's have a look at another one. So you can see a slightly similar one. This time our key number is -3, and we want the numbers that are bigger than -3. But this time, an important fact, the dot is coloured in. So because the dot is coloured in, that means we want the numbers that are bigger than -3 or equal to -3. So any number that's bigger than -3 counts for this, but also -3 itself would count. So again, instead of writing the numbers, I'm going to write an X. I want that, and I've got the -3. Again, I want the numbers that are bigger than -3. So I have the crocodile eating the X, but also -3 is included. So I'm going to put my little double chin on my crocodile like that. So it's numbers that are bigger than or equal to -3. Going to look at one more together. Here we go, another number line. I've just realised that the numbers are wrong on the number line because I'm a bit of a muppet. Obviously wasn't concentrating very hard. Really, when you do the number line, the only number you need is the main one. Oh my goodness, I still did that wrong. The only number you need is the main one in there. Okay, we don't really need those numbers on the side, but sometimes you see them on there. Okay, so here this time we've got a dot above the 15, and it's pointing to the numbers that are smaller than 15. This time it's including all the numbers that are smaller than 15. So I'm going to write my X to represent the numbers, and write my 15, and this time I want the numbers that are smaller than 15. So the crocodile is not going to eat the X this time because the numbers are smaller. So it means the crocodile is going to eat the 15. And you get one like that. Have a go yourselves now.